Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking, Karol Hali. Today with me in the cockpit, Captain Gerard Gavo and Captain Szymon Rawecki. All together, we would like to welcome you on board Airbus A321 Neo flight to Antidotum Airshow. Please sit back, relax, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for the great show.
It was a secret for the public, so people just stand out and just start pointing on southwest direction and couldn't imagine that it's real, that airliner coming on 300 feet just towards Leszno.
Wizz 01, cześć. You are clear for display. Clear for display, thank you very much. Wizz 01.
When he appears from my left, it was pure happiness.
"30 years ago, I made my first solo flight on glider. So special emotions. It was like 30 years of flying anniversary for me. In general, the huge responsibility sitting here in this modern A321 aircraft flying over my beautiful town of Leszno and my home airfield.
It was a very complex preparation, but the biggest challenge was to represent our Wizz community, our colleagues working in the flight deck every day, in the cabin, in the offices, to represent them with the highest dignity.
Joint effort of many people from different departments. The maintenance team has prepared this aircraft for the display, as we have some specific operating procedures, the maintenance requirement. And last but not least, the planning team ensured that the aircraft is available for the display.
So it was incredible for the public, and it was the highlight of this year's Antidotum Airshow. Thank you, Wizz Air.